Documentaries change hearts and minds, and with the right partners and strategies, they can also change the world. But how do we know, and how can we actually measure this? As Australia's only not-for-profit working with hundreds of social impact documentaries, Documentary Australia Foundation took on the ambitious task to find out. And after 7 years of consultation and pilots, we found a way to measure our organisational impact, as well as support documentary filmmakers to move beyond conventional screen metrics to truly capture the real-world impacts of their projects. We're now using data to share knowledge with filmmakers and report to donors, advocate for the documentary sector, and highlight the importance of the arts in Australia. And whether it's increasing awareness of youth issues, refugee experiences, or climate change, the hundreds and thousands of dollars raised, new initiatives or programs in the community, or people feeling heard, connected, and empowered, Documentary Australia Foundation is now evidencing the incredible value of documentaries as a tool for social change.
Hi, my name is Quinton Vivi. I'm a proud Bidjara man and Australian Sarcee Islander from Queensland. I work as an associate consultant for the Black Impact team here at the National Centre of Indigenous Excellence. I make up 1/4 of the Black Impact team here at NCIE, and we're really passionate about making sure that First Nations voices are elevated, are heard, especially when it comes to the social impact of First Nations people. So Impact Yarns is a tool that has been developed from a Western version called Significant Change. We've actually gone and indigenized it to make it culturally safe and appropriate for First Nations communities. The beauty about this tool is actually First Nations people, whether it's at ground level or an organization, they're in there from the start, from the co-design process through all the different phases, even the analyze process of all the yarns and all the impact that comes through, to be able to make sure that First Nations stories are the ones that tell the true impact of First Nations people. So on behalf of Black Impact here at NCIE, we'd like to thank you for us being a finalist in this category. We feel very honoured, and we just love the work that we do, so thank you.
City of Parramatta Council's Socially Sustainable Parramatta Framework is a strategy to help us put people first and ensure our community is resilient. It distills down into an overarching objective of sharing the benefits of growth with all, and 8 goals that, when achieved, mean that our community is socially sustainable for everyone. For example, children are our future.
We engaged a consultant to coach us in developing an indicator framework to measure our progress towards these goals. We spent 6 months using theory of change methodology to land on a selection of indicators for each goal.
So why is this considered innovative and demonstrate excellence? Social sustainability in local government is often talked about but rarely measured because it's inherently complex. We've been able to achieve this with agreement from over 40 internal business units. We've developed an indicator matrix that makes the complex simple and accessible. They measure impact for people and the city and council. Importantly, the indicators position Parramatta's social change as everyone's responsibility and are designed to be used by the city stakeholders too. We didn't just pay people, we engaged experts as coaches to build our capacity as staff to do quality impact measurement into the future. And that's what we intend to keep doing here at City of Parramatta. Thanks for this opportunity.
Hi everyone, my name's Kate. I'm a Sustainability Advisor on the Melbourne Metro Tunnel Project, the biggest public transport project in Victoria's history. We wanted to revolutionise the construction industry's approach to social value, which is why, along with our partners Think Impact, we conducted 3 simultaneous SROIs to measure the value generated by 3 of our project's social sustainability initiatives. The SROIs focused on the money we spent purchasing from Aboriginal and social enterprises, our targeted employment of trainees and cadets, as well as support for people facing significant barriers to employment. We engaged with over 200 organisations, measured value for over 250 stakeholders, and had our reports assured by Social Value International. We found our initiatives created positive value and outcomes for our people and for the Victorian community by improving health and physical wellbeing and creating opportunities for regional businesses. We think our innovative and collaborative approach is a world first for a major project and has the potential to influence infrastructure investment both in Australia and internationally in terms of social impact measurement. We're super excited to share it with you today.
Flat Out and For Purpose Evaluations would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the lands on which we meet today. Hi, I'm Elisa Buggy. I'm the Executive Officer at Flat Out, and this project couldn't have been possible without the generous support of the Brian and Virginia McNamee Foundation.
Hi, I'm Ayla Hope. I'm the Manager of Practice and Service Design at Flat Out. Flat Out's a tiny grassroots organisation, and we're the only ones in Victoria who specialise in working with criminalised women. We do this because we believe that every woman deserves to live a life free of trauma, injustice, and violence.
Hi, I'm Sienna Cleveland. I'm the Program Worker for the Women Inside and Out program. We'd like to thank you for selecting Flat Out's Women Inside and Out programs as a finalist today. This program delivers an innovative approach to case management, which required the development of a robust social impact measurement framework, made possible by the wonderful work of Eleanor Booth.
Hi, I'm Eleanor, and I'm from For Purpose Evaluations. This project is the first and only of its kind because the framework compares a woman to herself and draws heavily on the experience of criminalised women. The key impacts we're testing for are a woman's trust, stability, self-worth, and self-determination. We worked hard to ensure the data collection methods were natural, intuitive, and centred around a woman's life and Flat Out's expertise. We deserve to win because this innovative approach to the way we measure programs that serve our community's most vulnerable people will contribute to the use of a truly person-centred approach to impact measurement more broadly. Thanks.